Still pitch black out here. But we gotta wait till 6:44. We're shooting light. We got probably about 10 more minutes, but I'll get y'all started back up as soon as we get there. I see him. There's 3 of them. You won't go to out ducks, I go to in ducks. Or there's more there than you think. I hear one on the water runner.
Make sure them ones don't go with you.
Oh, right here, right.
Woo! Alright, keep an eye on him. He's not dead. Get him again, Dilly.
Alright, we gotta go get some ducks. So we got one that looks like right over there.
Yeah.
Alright. Got one straight out in front of you.
Where's the other one?
Oh, a little further behind it, I think.
No.
No? Good job, Bo. That's a nice woody. Oh, right here, right. Them are mallards.
What are you seeing? Are they really hot?
No, they're right out here. They look like they went down.
Oh shit, don't let you go.
No, Robert. Look at these ducks. Kill 'em. Cut 'em down.
Let's go. Load the guns. See the Drake.
I think he's down.
Yeah, he's upside down.
Alright.
There's his thing.
He's Rob.
Yeah, no Woody's like that whistle, man. Finally got warm this year. It did too, it finally got warm this year. First time this year it got hot. Man, too bad that
I probably took one picture when we started this morning.
Oh, you ain't recorded nothing.
Probably not. You know how this whole season's been. I ain't even really recorded not one good day yet. I know I'm about to be out of battery. I can put my phone up. Then I gotta worry about dropping in the water all day.
Here, make sure you get this on camera. Didn't go 20. Trigger's gold, the bird fold.
If it's black, the duck will keep quack, quack, quack. See 870 moth bird.
No, yeah, you're doing pretty well.
We'll say I'm not huge on this 870.
I don't like the safety.
I like the slim. I like that. The shorter barrel's easier to get around, but I don't. The spitting it out, it just don't do it. That's a lot of bullets. It's just not far. But I don't know. I ain't used it enough to really be honestly tell you. Probably does better than my gun. Get it.
They did it right, Bo.
Yeah, they did.
Do you see yours?
Yeah, it's right up under there. Yep. Good job, Bubba.
Hell yeah.
We can tell, guys, it's getting to the end of duck season. The boat is sinking again. Every year. Yeah.
Another beautiful drake.
Yep.
Tiny.
Now, there should be straight up here somewhere, like right up under that bush.